Hello, and how can we support you today? I'm the animated IT guy at Logical Admin here to guide you through optimizing your computer's performance. Let's get your system running smoothly again. Here's a small list of things we recommend you do. If at any time these instructions become a little bit too daunting, please feel free to give Help Desk at Logical Admin a call 404-902-0000. 1. Restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary files and free up memory. Restarting also resets processes that might be causing your system to lag. 2. Update your operating system and software. Keeping your OS and software up to date is essential for performance and security. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and check for updates. Remember, these instructions are only for current versions of Windows 10, 11, and to come. 12, we're assuming. No one knows yet. 3. Close unnecessary programs and background processes. Task Manager can show you which programs are using the most resources. Press Ctrl-Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, End Tasks that are using a lot of CPU, memory, or disk, but be careful not to end essential system processes. 4. Limit startup programs. Many programs start automatically with your computer and can slow down boot time. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Disable programs that you don't need to start every time you boot. 5. Check for malware and viruses. Run a full system scan with Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus program. Malware can drastically slow down your computer and compromise security. Free up disk space. Delete temporary files, unused programs, and large files you no longer need. Use Disk Cleanup to delete temporary files. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar, select the drive you want to clean, and choose Files to delete. 7. Defragment and optimize. Your hard drive, HDD only. If you have an HDD, not SSD, defragmenting can improve performance. Go to Settings, System, Storage, Optimize Drives. Select the drive and click Optimize. 8. Increase virtual memory, paging file. Virtual memory can help if you're low on RAM. Go to Settings, System, and About, Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings, Advanced, Virtual Memory, Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Select Custom Size and enter values typically 1.5 times your RAM size for initial and 3 times for maximum. Click Set and then OK. 9. Upgrade your hardware, RAM or SSD. If your computer still feels slow, adding more RAM or switching to an SSD can make a significant difference. Check your computer's specifications to see if it supports hardware upgrades. 10. Reset or refresh your PC as a last resort. If nothing else works, consider resetting your computer to factory settings. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, Reset this PC. You'll have options to keep or remove personal files, but this will remove installed programs and custom settings. Following these steps should help improve your computer's performance. Let us know if you need further assistance. Email helpdesk@logicaladmin.com or call 404-902-0000. All the best. Logical Admin Help Desk.